Alright, so today what we're going to look at is we've got a trunk latch on a 2001 Subaru Forester. The latch does not close, so the door just swings open. Clearly once owned by a gay Canadian. And so I'm just going to take the latch apart, see if I can fix it. What we're going to do is I'm going to pull the latch completely out and clean it up. And so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all this stuff, and I already dropped the first little pin here, but just take these out like that, and then in here you've got some top secret screws sitting away, and we just want to get our screwdriver under here and pull out these little guys here. And then there's little clips in here. We'll see those in a second, but I think you can just carefully pull them out. So then you see the clips right here. Just be really careful kind of pulling them out, because you don't want to break them, because then it's flipping around. It looks like this one's broken here, thanks to me. Okay, so here I'm looking up into the latch, and so what we're going to do is we're going to pull that little clip. We're going to kind of flip it down. I don't know if I can do it while I'm holding a camera, but let's see. Yeah, we just need to clip that, unclip that, and it'll flip down. We'll pull that latch. We're going to pull these two bolts right here, and then we'll see if there's anything else we have to do, but I think that's it. Let me just take a 12mm socket, pull these two out. You don't have to get that close. There we go. Okay. All right, so here we have our latch, and really what we're going to do is we're just going to oil it all up and grease it, clean it up, and get everything working smoothly. I've in the past, that's what I've done, and that generally fixes it, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just using some brake cleaner to start, cleaning up all the parts. There's all kinds of garbage coming out of it. Dirt, filth, flotsam, jetsam. And then I'm just going to start working the mechanism. So yeah, so we really want to make sure, see how that's nice and loose now? A second ago that was not moving at all. That's important. So now when I push this up like this, it clicks. Then I go like that and it unclicks. And so just keep working it like that and cleaning it. And that's really what happens is you get a bunch of dirt and rust in here, and this locks up, and when this locks up, it's not going to open again. So now I'm just working this. I push it in like that and then pull the lever to undo it. Really loosening it up. I haven't oiled it yet because I'm still kind of spraying it with brake cleaner as I'm kind of loosening up the grime on it. See how it's springing back a lot better. Once you get that working, so it feels like it's nice and loose and it's all cleaned up, then you can grease it up, and I think you're good. And so here you can see the lock mechanism. If I close it, and then this opens it here, so I'm going to close it again, and this is the mechanism to open it from the handle, but let me close it again. But if it's locked, then you see the mechanism still turns, but it can't engage that little pawl there. So anyways, so I'm going to oil it up and we'll get it back installed, and I think that's it. Alright, so just make sure you remember to reconnect your electrical sensor and your two rods. The one rod you just push it back in. The other one you put in and then you rotate that connector around. And it's working like a champ. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like it, please subscribe.